Ben's Big Bake-Off. One sunny morning, Ben the bear saw a poster in the town square. It announced a big baking contest happening in 2 weeks. Ben loved baking and decided he wanted to enter. He felt excited and a little nervous. "I can do this," he said to himself. Ben went home and started thinking about what to bake. He wanted something special that would impress the judges. After much thought, he decided on a honey cake with berries. Ben wrote down all the ingredients he needed. He was ready to start practicing. Ben gathered all his ingredients and started baking his honey cake. He followed the recipe carefully, but the cake didn't turn out as he hoped. It was too dry and not sweet enough. Ben felt a bit disappointed. "I won't give up," he said with determination. Ben decided to try again. He adjusted the recipe, adding more honey and a little extra butter. This time, the cake was better, but still not perfect. Ben realized that baking took practice and patience. He was learning from his mistakes and improving each time. One day, Ben's friend, Lucy the rabbit, visited him. She saw Ben working hard and offered to help. Together, they experimented with different ingredients and techniques. Lucy's ideas were very helpful. Ben felt grateful for his friend's support. With Lucy's help, Ben's honey cake was getting better and better. They practiced every day until the cake was perfect. Ben felt confident and ready for the contest. He knew he had done his best. "This is the one," he said, tasting the delicious cake. The day of the baking contest finally arrived. Ben and Lucy went to the town square with their perfect honey cake. There were many other contestants with amazing cakes. Ben felt a little nervous, but also excited. He was proud of his hard work and determination. When the judges tasted Ben's honey cake, they smiled with delight. "This is wonderful," they exclaimed. Ben won first prize and everyone cheered. Ben realized that the best part was not just winning, but enjoying the process and learning along the way. He and Lucy celebrated with a big slice of their delicious cake.